SEO content marketing, how to build your website traffic with social media. SEO content marketing is key to strengthening your search engine results and gaining more visibility on the internet at large. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Content and SEO go hand in hand together. There is no question about that. But there are some ways in which you can leverage your content far better than just simply publishing articles on your website. That said, this should come with a little disclaimer. You need content on your website to keep Google bots and other search engines visiting and indexing your content. But you can also use this content to generate what we call social signals. If you write a few articles a month for Google Signals, you can repurpose that content into social media content that is specifically designed for engagement. The first step is to identify the best place for you to be on social media. Think of your best clients and understand which platforms they are spending the most time on. Make that your main focus and automate everything else. You can push your social posts using scheduling software. But you need to make sure you're on the one platform that matters most. Being present and engaging is important, but remember that how you create your content is key. Here are some tips to keep in mind to make sure your social content has SEO value. Remember that in order for your social campaigns to have SEO value, you need to SEO content marketing linkbacks. Link back to your website with relevant keywords and relevant topics. On social, it's perfectly normal to go into storytelling and be more creative. However, keep it relevant to the pages you link to. Make sure it has huge added value to your readers, and don't just share a link blank and add a bit more info to add relevance to your links. Every link helps Google understand a little more about what you do. Social accounts. Make sure that your social media's main account also links back to your website with relevant information about what people can expect. This helps Google connect your social media presence to your website. Focus on engagement. The number of likes, shares, and comments on social media posts make a difference. It's one of the ways Google uses to give you a social score. It's very natural for search engines to turn to social media to better understand what you do, to check if you are a bona fide company or business. If you're not marketing on social media at all, that will make you less relevant in today's world. So make sure that you have some presence to begin with and focus on building a following. Add engagement as you go along. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at SEO content strategy, increasing traffic up to 3 times. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.